Today we'll tackle a topic that's constantly evolving, using social media for professional purposes. Social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook have become integral to our personal lives, but they also offer immense potential for professional networking, career development, and brand building. However, it's important to navigate the social media landscapes strategically and thoughtfully, as the lines between professional and personal can get blurry. The professional benefits of social media. Let's start by exploring the many ways social media can benefit your career. Networking. Connect with colleagues, industry leaders, potential employers, and mentors from around the world. Showcase your expertise. Show your knowledge and insights through articles, blog posts, or videos. Position yourself as a thoughtful leader in your field. Building your personal brand, creating a strong online presence that reflects your professional identity and values. Job opportunities, discover job openings, research companies, and connect with recruiters. Stay informed, follow industry news, trends, and thought leaders to stay ahead of the curve. Collaboration, connect with colleagues and peers to brainstorm ideas, share resources, and collaborate on projects. Navigating the risks, maintaining a professional image. While social media offers many opportunities, it also comes with risks. It is important to be mindful of your digital footprint and maintain a professional image online. Here are a few tips. Final take. Think before you post. Would you be comfortable with your boss or potential employer seeing this post? If not, it's probably best not to share it. Keep it professional. Avoid posting anything offensive, controversial, or overly personal. Focus on content that's relevant to your professional interests and goals. Separate personal and professional. Consider having separate accounts for personal and professional use. This can help you maintain a more polished and focused online presence. Protect your privacy. Be mindful of your privacy settings and who you connect with online. Be authentic. While it's important to be professional, don't be afraid to show your personality and let your unique voice shine through. Engage with others. Respond to comments and messages promptly and thoughtfully. Share and comment on other people's posts to build relationships and foster engagement. Choosing the right platforms. Not all social media platforms are created equally. When it comes to professional use, here is a quick overview of some popular platforms. LinkedIn, the go-to platform for professional networking. Use it to build your profile, connect with colleagues, join groups, and share industry insights. Twitter, a great platform for following industry news, sharing quick updates, and engaging in conversation with professionals. Facebook. While primarily a personal platform, Facebook can be used for professional purposes, such as joining industry groups or following company pages. However, it's important to be mindful of privacy settings and avoid sharing overly personal information. Your social media strategy. To maximize your impact on social media, it is helpful to develop a strategy. Consider these questions. What are your goals? Do you want to build your network, showcase your expertise, or find a new job? What is your target audience? Who do you want to connect with on social media? What kind of content will you share? Articles, blog posts, videos, or photos? How often will you post? Consistency is key, but don't feel pressured to post constantly. How will you measure your success? Track your follower growth, engagement rates, and website traffic to gauge your progress.